Oh, this is how we jive mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video, we're gonna check if your iPhone 12 base model or any other version of 12 phone eligible for iOS 27 beta or not. So unlock the phone. After unlocking, you have to go to setting option. Let's go. Here we go. In setting, you have many options. You have to go to general here. You see, go inside. In general, you see your software update. Hit this one. It will update. It will check if you have eligibility or not. Surprise, surprise. You can see iOS 26.5.2, 8 GB of software you can update. So let's see we can have iOS beta version or not too. I click here, iOS beta. I click this one. Back, let's see, iOS 27 beta 4 also you can update to your iPhone 12. Okay, if you want to do that or not depends on you. So now you know you can update 26, also 27 beta. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, boy.